Hello everyone, welcome to Krakow video series. JBIMS, Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, is one of the most desirable B schools in India for many MBA aspirants. There is another name for this institute called CEO Factory. So recently JBIMS has released its final placement report on their official website. So in this video, let us have a look at the placement key highlights and the latest batch profile of MMS program in detail. The first step towards getting into JBIMS is taking an entrance test MBA set, which is going to be tentatively held on August 23rd, 24th and 25th as per the notification on the official website. We have very less time to prepare for the exam, but don't worry, we have a solution for that. We are providing you with an excellent crash course for MBA set which covers the complete syllabus of MBA set. Also, we are providing one free online mock test which is very helpful in your preparation. Also, you can get 5 mocks for just ₹299. So the links for the both crash course and the free mock given in the description. So please check it out. Now let us see the admission criteria at JBIMS. If you can see the admission criteria of JBIMS, there will be 2 stages. The first one is entrance exam test. They have their own entrance exam called MBA set. It is mandatory for the candidates who are living in Maharashtra to take MAH set exam. So candidates from outside of the Maharashtra state can apply through MAH set or CAT or CMAT scores for the admission. So after the declaration of MAH set exam results, the candidates must appear for the CAP round, centralized admission process, which is a process of allotting the candidates for various colleges under CET including JBIMS. So the candidates must reach the cutoff of MAH set to get into JBIMS. The expected cutoff for JBIMS is 99.95 or might be more. So now let us have a look at the latest MMS placement report of JBIMS in detail. Placement key highlights. If you can see, more than 75 recruiters participated in this final placement season. Among those, 22 are the first time recruiters. All the companies in this final placement season are from various industries and offered many number of offers for this latest batch. Among those, 65 are the PPOs, that is pre-placement offers. And coming to the placement packages, the mean CTC, nothing but the average CTC, is 27.63 lakh per annum, which is an increase of 19% compared to the last year's average package. And the median CTC is 26.48 lakh per annum, which is an increase of 18.9% compared to the last year's median CTC. And the highest CTC stood at 42 lakh per annum. And also you can see the average CTC of top 10% is 34.22 lakh per annum. For top 30%, the average CTC is 29.62 lakh per annum. So these are the placement key highlights. Now let us see the sector wise offers in this placement season. As you can see, almost 39% of the offers are from consulting sector, and the second highest is 36%, which is occupied by BFSI and IB sector. 12% are from FMCG and pharma, 7% are from technology and e-commerce, 4% are from manufacturing and conglomerates, and 2% are from other sectors. So these are some of the most prominent companies that participated in this final placement season. So the companies include Abbott, Accenture, Angel One, Asian Paints, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finserv, BMW, etc. Now let us see the batch profile of MMS program 2022. A total number of 149 students are there in this latest batch. Among those, 80% of the students are male and 20% of the students are female. The students in this batch had undergraduate degrees in various backgrounds such as engineering, commerce, management and others. As you can see, almost 79% of the students are having the educational background of engineering, 7% are from commerce, 7% are from management and 7% are from other educational backgrounds. Also, many of the students are having the prior work experience in various sectors. If you can see, 21% of the students are having the work experience in IT and telecom sectors, and 20% are from manufacturing sector, 13% are BFSI sector, 10% are from consulting, 7% are from FMCG and pharma, and 29% are from other sectors. So this is the duration of work experience of this latest batch. As you can see, almost 29% of the students are the freshers who does not have any work experience, and 18% of the students are having 1 to 12 months of work experience. 25% of the students are having 13 to 24 months of work experience, and finally 28% of the students are having more than 24 months of work experience, that is more than 2 years. So this is all about the placement report and the batch profile of the batch 2020-22 for MMS program at JBIMS. Apart from that, you can also check out a very useful MBA forum which is provided by Kraku called Adda. Here you can ask any type of doubts regarding MBA exams like CAT, MBA set, CMAT, etc. Not only related to exams but also related to colleges, MBA admissions, etc. You just need to visit the Adda portal and post your question, and your doubt will be resolved by the experts, and you can get immediate notification when it's resolved. So the link for the Adda portal is given in the description, so please check it out. So thank you so much guys, and all the best.